there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano chords accompaniment Hey Soul Sister by Train. I've left my Drops of Jupiter tutorial linked in the description as well in case you want to check that out, also by Train. I'll sing just as a reference point and I've left where you can access the full chords and lyrics in the description as well. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of E major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of E major. These are the notes we are using. It's fairly repetitive. The chords are mostly going to be voiced the way they are in the ukulele part. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so left hand is blue, right hand is orange, and here is middle C as a reference. So look at the intro first. I'll play the intro first, and this is the playing pattern that I'll play throughout the majority of the song. So that's the intro. So the first chord we have is E major. So E in the left hand, and then E root position in the right hand. So it's E, G sharp, and B. I'm gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you want to just hold the left hand down and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, that's another option as well, but the right hand needs to be offbeat. Then the next chord is B major over D sharp, so we're going to play D sharp in the left hand, and then first inversion of B major in the right hand, so that's D sharp, F sharp, and B. Same pattern, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then it goes down to C sharp minor, so C sharp in the left hand, and then first inversion of C sharp minor in the right hand, so that's E, G sharp, and C sharp. Same pattern again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the left hand plays A. Now we have A major, first inversion as well, so C sharp, E, A in the right hand, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So all together we have. So now into the verse, so we're basically going to play that again. It's slightly different. The first time we play it like the intro, as you can see on the screen there. However, the second time we play that chord progression, you can see on the screen it says A to B. So when we get to the A chord, we just do that twice. And then the left hand changes to B, and we play B major twice. So we've already had B major before, but it's with B in the bass as well this time. So that's the only difference. So it's just the. And then we repeat all of that again for this verse. So if I just demonstrate the verse, I'm just gonna go from the intro. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, let me know if you're enjoying this video and how you're getting on with learning this lesson so far in the comments section below. I love chatting to you all. Please give the like button a press. Make sure that you are subscribed so I can keep on making these free tutorials for you. Hit bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in learning how to read music, I have an entire book, and that is linked below where you can purchase that on Amazon, and I also teach this in a full video course as well, so that's linked down below for you as well. You can go and check out the free preview. So let's continue. And then we're into the pre-chorus. The only difference being is that instead of having the B over D sharp, it's just a B major with a B in the left hand. So we only have this B over D sharp in the intro and this first verse. So I'm just going to continue. Your sweet moonbeam, the smell of into the chorus. So similar set of chords. So I'll play it first without singing. So we have A major root position. Again, same pattern. So I'm going to play A and root position. So A, C sharp and E. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have B major in root position as well. So B in the left hand. And in the right hand, that's B, D sharp and F sharp. I'm going to do that for 2 beats. 1, 2. And then we have E major, second inversion, so E in the left hand, and in the right hand that's B, E, G sharp, just for 1. And then we come back to B in the left hand, and then we play B sus4 for 1. So that's B, E, F sharp. And then we repeat this chord progression 3 times. So we'll go back to the A major. 2, 3, 4. B, E, B sus4. Repeat. B, E, B sus4. B, E, B sus4. And then we play A major for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for B major, 1, 2, 3. So you'll sort of hold that B down for tonight for the end of the chorus. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tonight. So I'll just demonstrate the chorus now then. Hey soul sister. And then for the post-chorus, it's almost like playing the intro, but we just don't play the B over D sharp, we just play it as a B instead. And then we're into the next verse. So I'm just going to continue onto these next few sections, because then the second chorus is the same as well. So everything will be on the screen there, and then we'll go over the bridge, which is a little bit different. Just in time, I'm so glad you have a one-track line like me. You gave my life direction, you gave some life connection, we can't deny. So for the bridge, there aren't really any new chords. So let's go over all of the chords first, and then we'll demonstrate it. So we have this E chord, so 1, 2, 3, 4, that we've had before. And then we have the B major chord that we had before, 4 beats. And then I'm going to play C sharp minor in root position. So C sharp in the left hand, in the right hand C sharp, E, G sharp, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then then the left hand's going to stay on C sharp and the right hand is going to play A major, so it's A over C sharp. So all we're doing from here is changing the G sharp to an A, and this gives us first inversion of A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to come down and play B major. You can play it back there as well if you want to. I'm going to come down to root position, like how we play it in the chorus. I'm going to do this one for 2 bars, so for 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C sharp minor for 2. And then it's C sharp minor with a B in the bass for 2. And then we play A major. I'm going to play it in root position like we do in the chorus for 2 beats with A in the left hand. 1, 2. And then that B sus4 chord like we have in the chorus for 2. 1, 2. So again, no new chords really. I'll just play all of that again. B, C sharp minor, A over C sharp, B major, B major, C sharp minor over B, A major, B sus4. When you can go to rock, watching you's the only drug I need. So gangster, I'm so thug, the only one I'm dreaming of. You see, I can be myself now finally. In fact, there's nothing I can't be. I want the world to see you be with me. So this chorus is almost the same as the other chorus. We just have this little bit extra on at the end, as you can see on the screen there. And then I'll just continue to the outro as well, because that isn't anything new either, and the chords will be on the screen. Hey soul sister, hey the Mr. on the radio, stereo the way you're moving fair, you know. Hey soul sister, I don't want to miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey soul sister, I don't want to miss a single thing you do tonight. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.